As dentists, we strive for prevention, and I'm always asked by my patients what I recommend to improve their oral health. At our office, we always recommend an electric toothbrush to our patients. Oral-B iO is the latest from Oral-B. Equipped with the latest technology and lots of features, it creates for a remarkable brushing experience. Activate the toothbrush by lifting it from the charging base. Wet the brush head and turn off the water. Apply a pea-sized amount of CREST toothpaste. Choose your brushing mode. Guide the toothbrush to your teeth, close your mouth, and switch on the handle. When brushing the back molars, do not open your mouth too much. The green light guides you to achieve optimal plaque removal, while the red light protects your gums by indicating excessive pressure. Place the brush head on the tooth and the bristles at the gum line. The round head will cup each tooth. Spend 3 to 4 seconds on each tooth. Pair your toothbrush with the Oral-B app to track your progress and ensure that you cover all areas of your mouth. Brush for the recommended 2 minutes by dental professionals and get a happy face from your brush. Clean your toothbrush and the brush head, dry the handle and the brush head, and store them separately by the sink. Change your brush head every 3 months to get an effective clean. The travel case allows you to take your brush on the go, making it the perfect companion to maintain a healthy smile.